I'm listening now. I'm listening now.
You can sing higher notes than Sarah Brightman can sing in Phantom of the Opera.
I know. I'm listening to you right now. Can you do Phantom of the Opera, Sarah Brightman?
No, this one
I
can.
I know. My Baby Blue stands out
higher.
I know. I know. Oh, really? I want to too. I want to go swimming too. I want to go swimming with dolphins. Oh, yeah. I want to go swimming with dolphins. Oh, yeah. Ooh, wouldn't that be fun? Yeah. I know. We'll go right now. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, who's over there? Let's go there. Oh, yeah. Oh. You're funny. You are a happy hour. What are you doing? Oh my God. What are you doing? I can take you home right now. I can't. No, you're locked here. You got lots of people to talk to here. Go look in the mirror. All right, now. Okay.
What's going on, he says. What a good boy.
Yeah, what a good boy.
Maybe he'll say that.
I almost had said shit. What? What show? The one with you in it? Really? Oh my goodness, you've got so much to tell me since I saw you last. What else happened? What else happened? Really? Then what? Then what happened? Don't keep it a secret. Yeah? You have an album?
Potty?
Oh, good.
Good bird.
Yeah. Yeah, you did real well. You did. Oh, yeah. Really? Where are you? At Peaches. What town do I live? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I live in Narnia. Yeah. You live in Narnia, too? Oh, yeah. Oh, my. Oh, my. I know. Sweetheart April. Hi.
Hi.
We're going to have to go because you're...